Hey guys, let's unbox my new coffee machine. This is the Mandike MC-2, which I ordered from China. And yeah, I didn't see many videos on the internet about this brand of machines, so I figured I'd give it a try. And from the reviews that I saw on the seller's website, it did look legitimate, so I decided to order one. Yeah, it comes with a spouted portafilter, but a single wall basket, which is good for you to control the grind size. Yeah, and get tastier coffee. This is just my unboxing. There's no unboxing online, so I figured I'd shoot something, and hopefully the coffee community is interested in this brand. From what I saw, they do have other more expensive machines with E61 group heads, which you all coffee lovers like. So I decided to go over making a cup of coffee just to show you guys how that looks. Yeah, so this is it.